everyone. This is User Ali and Syed Bashir from Royal Cyber. We're here at AWS Reinvent in Las Vegas, and I'm happy to have Syed here, who's the VP of Digital Transformation at Royal Cyber. So Syed, you want to tell us something about why Royal Cyber is taking over AWS, and what are our goals here for the conference?
Royal Cyber, we are like AWS partners. We are partners of Amazon, Google, Microsoft. We build solutions on top of their platform, help customers in terms of helping them take from the legacy apps to AWS. Just help them in showing the journey of modernization in terms of taking them to the Kubernetes and containerization, showing them the journey of cloud. And we are here to socialize with a lot of customers, meet AWS partners, meet AWS executives, and help them in terms of showing them the journey of the cloud journey, and also work along with customers as a strategic partners. That's what we are here.
Well, thank you, Syed, and we'll definitely be talking a little bit more to you